Have you ever generated an AI portrait that looked fake, overly smooth, or just obviously AI made? In this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful prompts that can create stunning DSLR quality portraits in Gemini AI completely free. Because I'll reveal a simple realism trick that makes AI faces look dramatically more authentic. For this tutorial, we're using Gemini AI. It's one of the best free AI image generators available right now. Start with our first prompt, DSLR Portrait Master. Informative terms like visible skin pores, realistic eye reflections, and cinematic lighting help Gemini simulate the look of a professional DSLR camera. Notice how the eyes remain incredibly sharp, while the background fades into a beautiful creamy blur. Next up is Golden Hour Glow. Golden hour is that magical time just before sunset when sunlight becomes soft, warm, and incredibly flattering. The result is a portrait that feels natural, cinematic, and professionally photographed. Now let's step into the world of fashion photography, using phrases like luxury fashion model and editorial photography helps create magazine-quality portraits. The final result looks like something straight out of a premium fashion campaign. For something more authentic, try street-style realism. Rain-soaked streets, neon reflections, and candid expressions create images that feel alive. Instead of looking posed, these portraits capture real moments and real emotion. Our fifth prompt proves that realism lives in the details. Grey hair and expressive eyes tell a story. These small imperfections are what make a portrait feel genuinely human. Wrinkles, age spots. Now for the bonus tip, always add realism boosters like photorealistic, visible pores, raw photo, and DSLR quality at the end of your prompts. This simple trick can instantly improve the realism of your AI portrait. A strong negative prompt. You now have 5 powerful portrait prompts, a realism booster, and a negative prompt strategy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI image tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.